So you want to become a hypnotist? Well, you could not have picked a better time. My next National Guild of Hypnotists approved training program begins Saturday, April 13th. It runs through till mid-June, at the end of which time you will be a hypnotist. Imagine that. You'll be able to induce hypnosis, I promise you. You'll learn at least 6 different techniques. You'll be able to do an intake with a client, an assessment. You'll be able to test for suggestibility, hypnotizability, if you will. Once you've induced hypnosis, you'll know how to deepen the state and how to test for depth of hypnosis. Really. You'll be amazed how much you learn, how quickly, because this is a hands-on program. This lecture, I talk a lot. I also will hypnotize you with your permission to build confidence and mastery, learn the skills. But you'll also work with each other, hypnotizing others in the class, and we'll bring guests in. Hypnosis can be used anytime a person wants to change the way they think, act, or feel. And that's important to know, because as you design your practice, it will reflect your interests. Some people do sports hypnosis. You might decide you want to focus on hypnobirthing. You might want to do regression work. This is a basic course: pain management, weight control, smoking cessation. It's a basic course. You learn some basic skills as a jumping off point. But also we'll talk about the business of this. And I will share with you, without reservation, what I know about how to make a business doing this work in Rhode Island. I've been doing this for 20 years. By my count, I've hypnotized over 7,000 people. I know how to make this work, and there's plenty of room here. You know, there are thousands of nurses, thousands of psychotherapists, but there's only a handful of people doing this. There's more than enough room for you.